1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Asawa ni Marie. Ready ka na bang pag-usapan?
Oo naman, bakit hindi?
Oo.
Pero with regards to the NBA thing, like I would want that to find a way to open more opportunities for like people who don't have that.
Hi Dreamers, this is Jerry Lee Salvador and this is the Pillow Talk where dreams get unplugged. Ang ating guest for today ay isang napakahaba po ng portfolio niya, isang actor, fitness trainer, host, entrepreneur, name it, he's done it. Let's all welcome Mr. Julian Rojas.
Grabe ka naman, Jay. Sobrang haba ng introduction mo. Napaka-simpleng tao lang ako.
Wow!
And,
Napaka-humble din po. Isama natin yon.
but I am super appreciative na for you guys to have me as the second guest of the show.
Yes.
And I'm more than excited to share my journey and my stories.
Yes, you're welcome here and thank you for joining us here sa Pillow Talk. So nagkakilala tayo mga few years ago, di ba? From
Yes.
I Left My Heart in Sorsogon. Taon ng namin. And
Are we allowed to say the
Oo naman.
the
name?
the network?
Oh, why not?
Okay.
Sa GMA, di ba?
Okay.
Pero yun, doon tayo nagkakilala. Tapos, parang yung pagkakakilala ko sa'yo doon, sobrang energy to the top level, ganyan ka. Tapos, mas lalo pa kitang nakilala dahil nagka-work tayo sa isang student film.
Oh yes.
Yes, the three-way ticket naman to. Tapos, throuple tayo doon, di ba? So that's why it's not our first time being on a bed together. Pero lahat yon work lang po.
Tsaka wholesome lang.
Wholesome lang.
Wholesome lang.
Yes, all the time. So, speaking of bed, I'm interested to know, ano ba yung usual na suot ng isang Julian Rojas habang natutulog siya?
Jay, depende kasi yun sa mood. Siyempre, pag medyo pagod na, boxers na lang. Ganun. Or pag, kunwari galing ako sa workout na sobrang todo, I'm really gonna have like a full bath. And then, yung suot ko nun is fully clothed talaga.
Fully clothed.
Fully clothed. Pero may mga araw naman na walang suot. Kung gustong...
May ganon.
May ganun. Kasi may mga araw na malamig eh.
Oo.
Or
mainit. Parang baliktad. Pag mainit, dun yung walang saplot. Ganon.
Hindi. Pag medyo mainit, tatanggalin mo ko.
Okay.
So like, yung isang leg mo.
Oh my God, ganun din ako matulog.
Oh, di ba? Oh.
Isang leg nakalabas kasi parang may hangin kang mafe-feel. Pero takot ka sa multo, kaya gusto mo yung ibang parts na naka-cover pa rin. Ganon.
Mismo.
Yan, so...
Speaking of multo, kinakabahan ako sa multo eh.
Sa sa interview na to?
Hindi, sa multo.
Sa multo? Bakit?
May trauma na kasi akong iniiwan eh.
Ghosting pala!
Ghosting pala!
Galing nun.
Nag-joke na ako kung naman.
Pero, so, ghosting, mamaya pag-uusapan natin yan more about your love life. Pero, ngayon muna, balikan natin from the very start. So, nung bata ka ba, ano yung pangarap mo? Ano yung naging dream mo when you were a child?
Basketball player. But then I realized later on na parang hindi ako mag-excel doon kasi I was a bit short. Hindi ako katangkaran.
Ano bang height ni Julian?
5'7", 5'8".
Okay. It's still pretty, decent height. Pero I guess not for basketball usually.
Oo. Tsaka if I wanted to become like a top tier or one of the best, syempre you would need to have all the skills. And height is not really something that you can
hindi pwede madaya.
Work on. Hindi pwede madaya yan. It's something, it's God-given, di ba? So parang ayan.
So from basketball, which is hindi natuloy nga, so paano naman napunta sa acting?
It's what me and my dad used to always do on the weekends. Actually, even on the weekdays. Parati kami nanonood ng mga pelikula. Yeah, Tuesdays to Saturdays. Sa Glorieta pa lang noon nung wala pa masyadong issue sa Glorieta.
Oh, sa sinehan to, lagi.
Sa sinehan
Oo.
sila. Yeah, so not even VCD, not even VHS. Sa pelikula talaga, like in the theater. Yeah. So watching all these actors that's
Inspired you.
inspired me, yeah. As a kid, syempre, your willingness to learn is through the roof. So syempre, somehow I wanted to be like them.
Oh, and you
Yeah.
had this memory with your dad.
Yes.
Tapos, paano ka nag-start naman in the industry? Nag-workshop ka ba muna or na-spot ka ba ng isang talent caster or something? How did it start for you?
It's actually a crazy journey. Well, yan, nabigyan ako ng mga calling card.
Okay.
But then, hindi ako naniniwala kasi parang wala ka naman akong bilib sa sarili.
Wala.
So, parang I wouldn't mind it. And then, so, one time I was like, okay, why not I give it a shot? So, pumunta ako din sa isang agency na yun. And then,
Ilang taon ka nito?
17.
Okay.
Okay. So, I was like being sent to several projects. And this was the time na kailangan mo talaga pumunta dun sa casting studio talaga. Hindi na yan, it's DIY na.
Dito sa Makati.
Yeah.
Yes, sa mga
Yes.
agencies dyan. Yeah.
Diba, there's in Makati Cinema Square. There's
Yes. All around.
all around. Versus now, it's all DIY. Then you
Online.
just have to
Yes.
submit. Yeah, pero yeah, back in the day.
Tanda mo na ba? Hindi pa naman masyado. Napaghahalataan ng age. Pero yeah. So
Yeah.
yung first mo, yung pumunta ka sa agency and then what happened?
Actually, I didn't, get in. And then, I was planning to quit. Kasi parang, siguro nakapag-submit na ako ng 20 na applications and then more than 10 VTRs. And di ako nakuha. And then, I got called back for a Candy Cutie, if I'm not mistaken.
Yung magazine.
Oo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pang mga teenagers.
Ay, sorry.
Diba?
Campus Crush pala.
Okay.
Hindi
Similar.
Hindi ko nakuha yung Candy Cutie.
Okay.
Yung Campus Crush. So, yun.
Doon nag-start.
Yeah.
So, photoshoot yun, di ba?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, after nun, nagtuloy-tuloy?
Before that, there was this, parang, I forgot the title. Parang it was like, Bachelors, by Summit. If you're familiar with that, they had this catalog.
Magazine din to.
Yeah.
Oo,
It's a segment. It's a segment under magazine on Summit. Yeah. I forgot what it was called. But then, anyways, yeah, I got the call back for that, and then sabi ko, okay, siguro ito tuloy-tuloy na to.
So,
And then,
nag-start ka pala sa photo shoots in magazines.
yes.
And then, did you do workshops after that? Or nag-runway ka ba? Or
I did runway for a while, but parang it wasn't really my thing kasi maliit nga lang ako.
Okay.
So, ayoko naman makisingit sa mga, di ba? So, after that, nag-audition na ako for like, TV roles talaga. And then I started looking for workshops. And then, slowly learned the craft. To be honest, at the start, I didn't actually know what I was doing. Pero through the years, you get to pick up a few lessons here and there from other people, from reading books. Yeah, teachers. Yeah.
Mentors.
Mentors.
Trainers. Yes.
Yes.
And nag-workshop ka, diba? Like,
Yeah.
madaming workshops. So, paano
Yeah.
nangyari naman yung ganun sa'yo?
Well, I did a short film kasi sa isang CSB prod. So it's like a thesis film. And then I think that was
Magano ka muna. Naluluha ka na sa
hindi,
pawis mo.
and I think the professor was Direct Joey, I guess. And then I asked him who was quote unquote like the best teacher that I could learn from. Sabi niya si Miss Angela Biani.
Meissner.
Yeah, Meissner,
Yes.
of course. So that's where I went to. So I took her classes from 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Asawa ni Marie.
Yun lang.
Pero ngayon, nag-Meissner ka na nga. Tapos,
Yeah.
may mga ads na rin, student films, TV, so everywhere. And then you said na you struggled nung sa start. What about now then? Kasi diba, freelance acting, minsan meron, minsan wala.
Yeah. I guess you just have to just really look for more material to read. And if you're attracting that positive energy, it will come to you.
Yeah, so, manifestation.
Yeah, it's not just also the manifestation, but then at the same time, if you're prepared.
Yes.
Diba? Konting warm up lang and then you're good to go.
Yes. Pag nabigay na sa yung opportunity, at least prepared ka.
Yeah, you're basically at arm's length to
opportunity.
To seize the opportunity.
Yes. Ang hirap i-quote nung ano na here and there puzzle. Pero yeah, it makes sense. And for you, yung struggles is nakatulong din ba to keep persisting sa mga ginagawa mo in life? And ngayon, di ba, ang dami ng projects ngayon with your project with Miss Imelda Papin, di ba? Tapos ngayon, naging asawa mo pa si Miss Claudine Barreto. Like, how was that whole experience for you?
One of the best. Talaga. Especially when you're working with people like that, you have nothing but to learn. Diba? So, it's, pag nakaka-excite naman sila, parang you're just gonna sit there or stand there and then just listen to what they have to say. Ako, same time with the director's direction. And then just basically absorb everything and just follow direction and then hopefully do your best and hopefully that they like what you do.
Yeah. And speaking of absorbing, I think pupunasan ko ulit yung pawis mo kasi naawa na ako sa'yo.
Nahiya na ako.
It's okay. Yes, we got this.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
And then, so, after nun, di ba ngayon nagkaroon ka rin ng project with Showtime, yung especially for you. Ano naman nangyari doon? Paano ka nakuha doon and how was the whole experience for you?
Actually, kasi kakagaling ko lang sa break. So, I wasn't really interested with that show. Kasi parang, syempre, parang sound bitter. Yung ex ko naman was, hindi naman siya showbiz. So, I'm not sure if she would understand that. Diba? So, going into the show, I was a bit half-hearted. But then, towards the middle, ang babait ng ang babait nilang lahat. Everybody was just warm welcoming, inviting.
The hosts then.
Yeah, the host, especially the host. It's all about like, parang they just wanted everybody to be happy. Just like how you guys are here.
Oh, thank you.
So, yeah, so I was able to warm up and then hopefully nagustuhan ng tao yung...
I think nagustuhan naman nila, diba? Buzz Lightyear nga yung tawag sa'yo and based on what we see then, nagustuhan yung hosts nga and I think the people too really liked it. Pero na-mention mo, nasawi ka nung time na yon. So, can you tell me about it? Kasi nabalitaan ko from your posts then na you had a failed engagement, diba? So, Ready ka na bang pag-usapan?
Oo naman, bakit hindi?
Oo.
Pero meron tayong babalikan lang.
Okay, okay.
Dun sa Showtime.
Okay.
Dun nga, di ba? Nakilala ko as,
Buzz.
hindi lang buzz, pero loyal.
Yeah! Which is, true naman. So,
True naman.
Bakit ko alam? Ay! Hindi ko alam. I'm just taking your word for it.
Okay, fast forward.
yeah.
Fast forward to
Yung
your question.
akala ko may sasabihin ka pa about being loyal.
Hindi, sinegway ko lang.
Sinegway. So, yeah. So, yung pagiging loyal mo and your love life. Can you tell me about your love story nung time na yun?
Okay.
Paano ba kayo nagkakilala muna?
We met at a...
Pwede ba i-mention? Or masyadong confidential?
We met at a place.
Okay.
We met at a place and we were introduced by common friends.
Okay.
Yeah. Nung una, di nga siya pinapansin.
Ay, wow.
Kasi galing ang workshop nun eh. So, medyo pagod, focused pa rin. So, wasn't really looking for a relationship at the time. And then, towards the end of the night, bilang nagkakuntuan kami. And then, one thing led to another. Nag-text kami. And then, we started to hang out. Yeah. Started getting to know each other. That's basically
how it started. Pero you liked her, well, you loved her a lot. The fact na you proposed.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I don't regret that. Kasi I had like a whole different plan on kung paano magpo-propose sa isang tao. No. But then I still remember that day. I just woke up and then I had the ring already for quite some time. So she walks into my room and then take out the ring. And I just go on one.
Sa room.
Yeah.
Like very intimate. Ganyan.
Yeah.
So everything was supposed to be happening for you guys.
Yeah. And at the time, it felt like the right thing to do. Because feelings like that you can't fake, versus like trying to plan something. When I just woke up, I felt
like it.
Felt like that was what I wanted to do, and it felt like it was the
right time. Ganon.
Yeah, I felt very much in love.
Kaso, ano nangyari? Bakit naudlot?
Hindi naman naudlot, but life just happens. Yeah. And we're still very good friends.
Pero who broke it off, if you don't mind me asking? Okay. So siya. Yun.
Mga babae, alam nila yung mga sagot eh.
Pero hindi sa'yo nanggaling. So safe ka, no worries. Ako nagsabi.
Ay, basta wala ako sinabi.
Wala. Safe. So, okay. Sige, hindi ka na i-push pa. Pero yun yung nangyari. Pero how was it for you? How did you feel afterwards?
I felt down for a time. Yeah, but then after a while, okay lang din. Yeah, kasi parang there was just I don't like put myself in dark situations for a very long time. So mabilis ako bumangon. Especially if I know that medyo wala nang matutunguhan. Tama ba? Patutunguhan.
Wow, hindi ka ba fluent?
Fluent ako.
Patutunguhan, oo. Hindi ka ba Filipino? Charot.
Wow,
Joke lang,
Wow,
joke lang, joke lang.
Diretso Tagalog yung script
Oo
ko,
nga, kaya nga.
Okay, anyways.
Oh, kung alam mo walang patutunguhan.
Yeah. Mabilis ako makapag
Let go.
let go ng mga bagay na ganyan. And I feel like it's detrimental to any kind of relationship if meron kang mga mga hinanakit or any bad vibrations you have towards someone. Kasi kagaya ng mga like siya, nag-usap kami araw-araw. Okay naman kami.
Till now?
Sometimes, kakamustahan, okay naman.
Okay, that's good. At least you're friends
Oh,
ngayon.
friends.
And are you doing well? The heart is doing well?
In terms of,
Love life? Ganyan?
can you be more specific?
May iba bang nagpapatibok ng puso mo?
Ay, wala.
Wala. Okay.
Wala.
Pero okay ka as a whole.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Kasi minsan, nakikita ko din nung before, actually nung after nito nung I Left My Heart, nung shoot natin, nakita ko sa Facebook post mo na sometimes you post about like being depressed and all that. So how do you deal with that situation?
I know I should have not taken that lightly. Kasi when like I grew up in the 90s, diba? So that word was just being like thrown around as if it was
normal
lang, diba? Pero right now, we should be more aware. Kasi there are people who are actually going through it, and they're like more serious cases about it. So the people should be well informed or educated, with more knowledge on the subject matter, especially that mental health is a common interest nowadays, diba?
Topic that's been talked about by a lot of people.
Yes.
So you're not diagnosed.
No.
Pero what made you post that? Like, ano yung naging cause why you were struggling? Is it like work, life, family?
Just everything in general.
Nagsabay-sabay.
Yeah. Like, it's as simple as grades. Let's say I was in grade 6 and then I failed my math
exam,
and then get super sad about it. Parang
okay.
ganon. So it's like you kind of, I think those were the habits that that nadala ko siya sa pagtanda. So the fact that I easily steer away from that shows that it's sort of not really like,
not something to dwell on.
Yeah.
Like you said, let go. To let
Yeah.
go. And
but still, because of the generation right now, we should be more aware.
Yeah.
And we should be more sensitive, especially
about
with
those topics.
Yes, because some people don't take it lightly.
Yes, that's true.
Yes.
Pero kanina na-mention mo na habits. So, speaking of habits, di ba mahilig kang mag-gym?
Yeah.
And actually, fitness trainer ka din? So, paano yun? Like, is it your full-time job as well, or?
No, I wouldn't say. Okay, that's another chapter in my life. But yeah, I've written 3 books about it.
Wow, author rin siya! Oh my gosh! The list keeps going.
Yeah, so I've written 3 books about it. When I was doing it consistently, I was able to get clients like si James Reid.
Mhm.
Yeah, he's one of my clients.
Mhm.
And we trained up until he got into the Cosmo Bachelors.
Mm.
Yeah.
Pero ngayon, hindi mo na siya ginagawa at the moment? Or like, minsan pag may client, you still do it?
Yeah, if there's like a special request,
Mhm.
then yes. But it's I'm more focused in kasi on acting.
Acting.
Yeah. Parang I believe in the saying that if you wanna be good at one thing,
Mhm.
you just have to do that one thing.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So, yun yung parang main mo talaga. Pero you also do hosting and then you have your business also, right?
Yeah.
So, parang on the side yun. Depende kung merong mabigay na project for you. Ganon.
Yeah, but all my attention is basically on acting talaga.
Acting talaga.
Yes. So I've already accepted the fact that I may or may not be as successful as I would want to be
Mhm.
in the field, but I'll be happy doing it.
Mhm.
So
Okay. So you would like to dabble in different things lang.
no. What I meant was I'm okay like that.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Na ganon.
Yeah, kasi once you've accepted that, then that could be your platform to lift off.
Mhm. So talagang acting is your main thing.
Yes.
Okay. So, but then you have a business also, right? So, how
Yeah.
do you deal with that naman? Yung, kasi ongoing siya, di ba? Yung Matador Meets mo.
Yeah.
Ano naman nagsimula yun? If sabi mo, acting yung gusto mo, pero nag-business ka.
Yeah, well, di ba, for a time nga, in-love nga ako, di ba?
Okay.
Okay.
So, connected doon.
Yeah, connected then. So, my ex-fiance, she, medyo yun yung, ano niya, parang pork yung ano niya, line.
Mhm.
So, I was like, what can I do kaya para, like, parang ano yun, like, to share a bond or whatever. Even though wala akong alam totally on how it should be done or whatever. So, yun, I got 4 steaks from her, USDA, and then I sold it. Yeah.
So, that's how it started.
That's how it started.
Akala ko, yun talaga gusto mong gawin. Kasi di ba may MBA ka?
Yes.
So, very connected.
Actually, the MBA, to be honest, the MBA was supposedly like for endgame purposes na siya.
Okay.
Like, for example, like how I would market like film or
as a producer, ganyan. Yun yung goal in the future.
yeah, or the fitness. Yeah. So I wanted to have that knowledge at the back of my head. Yeah.
I mean, technically, even with acting, tayo yung product. So we need to sell ourselves.
Yeah.
So business is needed then, like that knowledge.
Yes.
Connected pa rin siya, diba?
Yeah. That's why I really wanted to have that at the back of my head. So,
okay. So you took up business to be an actor? Parang, paano nag-connect yung
no.
like
I said, that was for the end game.
Okay.
That was for the end game. Like, before, for the acting, like, I've read books. Like I said, I went to Miss Angeli Bayani. I tried different techniques talaga, like Ivana Chabak. Yeah. Sanford Meisner is my favorite.
I love Meisner din, yeah.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Okay. Sige, mamaya.
I think we're doing it now. Yung emotions. Diba? The connecting.
Pwede. Pwede. Okay. Yeah. So, like in the future, with regards to the MBA thing, like I would want that to find a way to open more opportunities for like people who don't have them.
Oh, that's
Parang
so
ganun,
nice.
parang ganun.
So you wanna be able to teach and provide other people opportunity then
Yeah,
to act.
yeah.
Mhm.
And they would need that. They would need proper knowledge, the proper institution, or whatever. So I have yet to figure that out, which is why I took an MBA, so that later on in the future, m- maybe I could be able to be a philanthropist in some sort. Yeah, if I ever even reach that level.
Yes, that's
Yeah.
so nice. Ang ganda ng ganong concept na you have that as your end goal and you're thinking of other people to help then with
Yeah.
your craft. And for you ba, sino ba yung motivation mo? Para kanino ka ba nananaginip at patuloy na nangangarap?
To be honest,
Huwag tayo magsinungalingan dito. Totoo lang.
just myself.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I want to make myself proud because when you finally accept what you want to do, like truly accept what you want to do deep within yourself, then the only person that you want to become better at is the person that you were yesterday. So, if you were good at the script today, then
I love you so
you
much.
find a way to do it better tomorrow. Then find a way
Tandaan
to
mo yan.
understand it tomorrow.
Yung passion mo talaga
If things get rough,
fuels you to be the best version of yourself.
Yeah, it's not really like what you said, yung meron kang mga idol. Yeah, but you don't really want to compete with them. They're like supposed to be creative competition. It's like, you learn from them, yeah, you pick out a thing or two, and then, diba? And then you incorporate them with your stuff, and then they see it, and then, parang mas okay yung ginawa niya, and then, yeah,
You pick it up
it becomes healthy in a way that you're not competing against each other. It turns into like something that you both will grow, and the people are gonna see that.
Yes. And speaking of the people, ano naman ang gusto mong advice na ibigay sa ating dreamers, the people who are also struggling and wanting to have this end goal din of yours na to help others with their craft, kung ano man yun?
Well, find the best technique that will
Work for you.
work for you. This is in terms of acting. Read the book over and over again. Find a mentor. Attend his or her workshops religiously until you feel like you've known enough, but then you'll never really have enough
Stop
knowledge.
learning,
Yeah, it actually never stops. But then, yeah, just don't give up. Like, don't give up. Everything else is white noise. Just
Wow.
don't give up.
Just keep going. Yan. We heard it here from Mr. Julian Rojas. And that's it for our segment for the Pillow Talk, where dreams get unplugged. Thank you so much, Julian.
Thank you.
Good night and sweet dreams.